Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Nur Ain binti Muhammad Yusof, material number 2451198. I would like to present my first assignment from the subject Database System and Information Retrieval. The first question is, what are the issues associated with the Alumni Center? Discuss this issue. The first one is the system does not store updated informations. The system can only store for the past 5 years from the current years. Some information might be lost from the systems. Next is the system are standalone system and updated based on the group data, which means if some of the system are lost or missing, the information cannot be updated. The third one is lack of IT staff. Alumni Center lack of IT staff who are experienced to manage the system. That means the system managed by the person who are not inexperienced to work with the system. Last is must be accessed through UUMIT. Since the Alumni Center lack of IT staff, so the information must be passed out to the UUMIT staff to store all the informations, which means after the information has been passed to the UUMIT staff, Alumni Center cannot access anymore all the informations, and the system will be the system will become inefficient. Second question is, as an IT expert, how IT can be used to solve all these issues? Explain. First, we need to add more IT staff who are experienced about the system. First, we can add data administrator, which is to collect all the data about the alumni. Second one is database administrator who create the system, and then we can also add application programmers staff to create a better and efficient program. Next, the problem can be solved by creating DBMS, which that is database management system. Database management system is the system that can save all the informations in one system, which means all the information that we want to take, or all the information that we want, we can just access through one systems. Based on question 2, propose your solutions. So my solution is ER modeling. First one, I create a UUMIT staff. Then the attribute is staff ID as a primary key, name, IC number, position, and address. After that, Alumni Center staff informations, store staff ID as a primary key, name, IC number, position, and address. First, UUMIT staff will store Alumni Center staff informations. The relationship is UUMIT will store one or many Alumni Center staff informations, and then Alumni Center will only store their informations to one and one only UUMIT system. After that, Alumni Center staff will manage alumni informations, which consists of student ID as a primary key, name, graduation year, and alumni information will have a subclass which is employed, unemployed, and looking for a job. First, alumni information will be managed by Alumni Center systems. The relationship is one or many alumni information will be managed by Alumni Center system, but alumni information will only be stored by one Alumni Center systems. The subclass, which is employed, unemployed, looking for a job, is a mandatory for alumni informations, which is they must fulfill either they are employed, unemployed, or still looking for a job. Last attribute is students, consists of metric number as a primary key, and the names, INASIS courses, and have a subclass which is local or internationals. Local store of IC numbers as a primary key. For the international, store passport numbers as a primary key. UMIT system will store one or many students' information in their system, but students' information can only be stored by one and one only system from UMIT. It's a mandatory for students to choose either their local or internationals. They must have only one identity, which is local students or international students.